Hello everyone, this is last lecture from unit number 3. So here we are going to see the information regarding the deodorants and antiperspirant. Deodorant is a substance that is applied to the body to prevent the body odor caused by the breakdown of perspiration by the bacteria. जे बॅक्टेरिया आहे ते घामावरती ऍक्शन करतात आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्या घामाचा वास येतो तो येऊ नये म्हणून जे केमिकल वापरलं जाणार आहे जो सबस्टन्स वापरला जाणार आहे त्याला आपण डिओड्रंट म्हणतो. Okay, so they are regarded as a cosmetic and have a non-therapeutic effect on the body. They come in the form of aerosol, gel, stick, powder, and liquids. Antiperspirant is an astringent preparation that is applied to the skin to decrease the perspiration. It has an effect on bodily function or eccrine sweating. Okay, तर जे घाम न येण्यासाठी जे पावडर फॉर्म मध्ये जे अप्लाय केलं जातं त्याला आपण अँटीपर्स्पिरंट म्हणतो आणि ते त्या ठिकाणी वापरले जातात. जसं की डर्मिकूल वगैरे तुम्ही ऐकलं असेल पावडर जे आहे दॅट कम्स अंडर द अँटीपर्स्पिरंट. Body odor. So different type of body odor are sweat odor, underarm odor, foot odor, which are caused by the action of skin bacteria on sweat. Sweat is excreted by the sweat gland of the which there are two types, that is eccrine and apocrine glands. So eccrine glands are found all over the body. The sweat produced by them is called as eccrine sweat, and it is consists mostly of the water, but also contain small amount of substances like sodium chloride, lactic acid, urea. Now apocrine glands are also called as odor glands. These are the sweat glands associated with the hair follicle, which is which in contrast to the eccrine gland are only found in the particular part of the body. So these apocrine gland found only in particular part of the body, like armpit, areola mammae, genitals. Okay, the sweat secreted by them, that is apocrine sweat, and it is milky type of sweat containing substances like protein, lipid, fatty acid, cholesterol, glucose, and iron. Antiperspirant function. Many products suppresses the production of sweat through the use of pharmaceutical agents which are relatively strong as astringent action, such as zinc paraphenol sulfonate, citric acid, various aluminium and zirconium salts. Among such substances, aluminium compound are very common, and particularly aluminium hydroxychloride. It has a high degree of flexibility. It is capable of being dissolved in the water for liquid preparation and being incorporated as a powder in the dispersion and aerosol type and being dispersed through oily sticky type. So these antiperspirant, as I told you, these are used to absorb the sweat from the different part of the body. So antibacterial function for suppressing the proliferation of the skin bacteria, like antibacterial agent are used to suppress the proliferation of the bacteria on the skin and gives a deodorant effect. Example of antibacterial agent in the common use is a triclosan, then benzalkonium chloride, then benzethonium chloride, chlorhexidine, then hydrochloride. Okay, chlorhexidine hydrochloride salt is there, then chlorhexidine gluconate salt is there, then halocarbons are also there. Some preparation use essential oil and extract derived from the crude drug which have an antibacterial effect. Okay, so these can be applied on different part of the body to kill the bacteria. So what is the function of a deodorant now? It works by converting short chain fatty acid to a metal salt. Generally, short chain fatty acids are acted on by the zinc oxide. The zinc salt of the short chain fatty acid is formed in accordance with the following reaction. Here is the reaction. You can see there is a acid. Okay, here it is. This is acid. Okay, and zinc oxide is reacting with this acid to form a salt, corresponding salt of zinc salt of acid, and there is a formation of water. So plant extract which contain a lot of substances as of flavonoids and chlorophyll are used for this purpose. Some aluminum salts are there. Active ingredient present in the deodorants are aluminum chlorohydrate and aluminum zirconium tetrachlorides. Okay, so these compounds react with the electrolyte in sweat to form a gel plug in the duct of said gland, thereby temporarily preventing the perspiration. People with the skin sensitivity may develop rash from this ingredient. Denatured alcohol is the preferred medium for the aluminum chloride. The effectiveness of the antiperspirant is based on the concentration of the principal active agent, that is aluminum chloride. Okay, so some pentapeptides are there. Then parabens are also there. Okay, they are most widely used. The methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, and benzyl parabens are synthetic and plant origin, are the generally added as a preservative to this. And triclosans are there. Okay, they are used as an antibacterial and antifungal agent, and to kill the bacteria. Okay, from the body, or which are present on the skin. Okay, use of triclosan could alter the hormone regulation and causes the bacterial resistance to antibiotics. So this is how. Then propylene glycol is also there. It is obtained from the plant and used as a moisturizer. The body naturally metabolizes the propylene glycol into a lactic acid. Cyclomethicone is also there. So these are all new names for us. Okay, but these are present in the deodorants and the antiperspirants. That's why we are studying here. So those students who want to make their career in the cosmetic industry, they can go through it in a detail. Okay, but as a chemist, we should able to understand all the things whenever there is a matter of chemical. And as we know that there is nothing which are known to us, and that is without the chemical. Okay, even whatever I'm talking now, that at this moment there is a conversion of ATP to the ADP. That process is continuously going on, and I'm getting energy to talk with you. Okay, so this is how, whatever you are just listening to my lecture, that also requires the energy. There is also a matter of chemicals. So that's why we cannot restrict the chemist to a particular field, like cosmetic industry or pharmaceutical industry or petrochemical industry. It's a very wide branch and covers all the field. Okay, so see here, cyclomethicone is also there. It is a silicon base used in the aerosol deodorant to hold the ingredients together. It is used as substitute for alcohol. As it is, it does not create a stinging a sensation on freshly shaven area. They evaporates very quickly and easily, preventing the skin from remaining the tacky afterward. Other ingredients like talc, silica, stearat, and artificial colors, fragrances, baking soda, and essential oils, then mineral salts, and you know many more things are there. So these are the ingredients which are commonly used. Nowadays, the continuously research and development is going on this field. So as we know that the capital of France is the Paris, and the biggest industry of the cosmetic belongs to that zone. So due to the fashion, trend is very popular over there, and hence the people who are working in the cosmetic industry, they have very good kind of opportunities over there. And these are the things only at the surface level. Many more new chemicals are now available, which can be used in the field of cosmetic industries. Okay, and they are continuously available and used in the cosmetics. So that we can see through the literature, and we can get the knowledge regarding that. After this, we will see the estimation of zinc in the deodorant and antiperspirant. Okay, so that process we are going to do by the gravimetry. What are the things required for that? 8-hydroxyquinoline is there, 2 normal ammonium acetate solution, 2 normal HCl, and 2 normal ammonium hydroxide is there. Okay, so how we can prepare? So liquid, we are going to take 5 ml of sample, in a 250 ml of distilled water in a volumetric flask. If the perfume oil separate out, filter, and then take an liquid for the analysis. Cream and pastes. So weigh accurately 2 to 3 gram of sample in a 250 ml of beaker. Add 5 ml of HCl or HNO3 and 50 ml of water. Heat this till oil liquefy and separate out. Cool till the oil solidify and decant the aqueous layer through the flatted filter paper into a 250 ml volumetric flask. Return filtered material into the original beaker and macerate it thoroughly. Then repeat the extraction twice. Decant and filter into same flask. Okay, give washing to the residue which is present on the filter paper and collect the washing into a flask. Cool and dilute the filtrate with the distilled water up to the mark of 250 ml. Then solids, the way for the solids, okay, these are what the form of sample. If solids are there, take a 2 to 3 gram of sample in a 250 ml of beaker. Add 5 ml of HCl or HNO3, 50 ml of distilled water to it. Heat till the boiling. Cool and filter through the flathead filter paper into 250 ml of volumetric flask. Wash the beaker and filter paper thoroughly and collect the washing. Okay, cool and dilute the volume till the mark. Okay, so how we can estimate? So pipette out the aliquot of sample containing 20 to 50 mg of zinc in a 400 ml of beaker. Acidify the solution slightly and add ammonium tartrate to this. Then add 10 ml of 8-hydroxyquinoline solution for every 10 mg of zinc present. Dilute to the 200 ml and heat for 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Neutralize the excess of acid by adding ammonium hydroxide until zinc complex salt that forms on addition of each drop. Just dissolve on stringent, okay, or stirring, not stringent, stirring, okay. Slowly add with the stirring the 45 ml of ammonium acetate solution and let the mixture at room temperature. Check the pH of solution if it is around 5 to 5.7 to 5.9. If not, if not, then adjust with the ammonium hydroxide solution and let the mixture stand for 10 to 20 minutes to attain its equilibrium. Filter through a previously wet goods crucible, give washing to the beaker and precipitate with the hot water. Dry the crucible along with the precipitate for 2 hours at 130 to 140 degrees Celsius and cool and weigh this crucible. Repeat the heating, cooling, and weighing till the constant weight is reached and do the calculation. So calculation, whatever W gram of weight would be there for the product. So multiply that with the 0.1712, you will get the weight of zinc, which is present in the sample. In this way, we can determine the zinc from the deodorant antiperspirant. Okay, so these are the processes. Now deodorant antiperspirant may be present in liquid form, cream or paste or solid. Hence the preparation of sample is given for all three forms over here. Okay, and that which we are going to use for the estimation. Okay, the sample prepared. In this way, the gravimetric analysis we are doing here to get the final weight of zinc present in the sample. Okay, so this is all about this topic. So it was a very lengthy topic. As per my experience, this is the topic, and it is totally theoretical. So there was no new concept to explain in a different way. And you may wonder why sir is continuously reading through the slides. ओके की मी थोड्याशा छोट्या छोट्या स्लाइड किंवा छोटं छोटं मॅटर बनवून पण तिथे घेतलं असतं आणि ते तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन केलं असतं. बट व्हॉट आय फेल्ट की जे काही सर्व मॅटर आहे बुकचं सर्वच्या सर्व इथे असावं. ऍटलिस्ट मी ते रिडिंग केलं आणि तुम्ही ऐकलं, की ते तुम्हाला 2-2, 4-4 वेळेस जरी ते तुम्ही ऐकलं, त्यातलं 70-80% तरी त्या ठिकाणी ब्रेन मध्ये रिटेन कराल तुम्ही. And you'd be able to write in the examination. That was what my interest actually. Otherwise, in this topic, nothing is something different that or no new concept was there, because it was very related with our day-to-day. दूध आहे, चहा आहे, कॉफी आहे, हनी आहे, डिओड्रंट्स इज देअर, अँटीपर्स्पिरंट तुम्ही वापरतात, लिपस्टिक वापरतात, पावडर वापरतात. या सर्व गोष्टी ज्या आहेत दररोज तुम्ही यूज करतात, म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी सर्व ॲज इट इज जो टॉपिक आहे तो मी थोडंसं रीडिंग या ठिकाणी प्रायोरिटी दिली आणि थोडंसं काही नवीन वाटलं तर त्या ठिकाणी एक्सप्लेन करण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. सो की तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी कळलं असेल. जर काही एखादी गोष्ट नसेल लक्षात येत, कसं होतंय त्या ठिकाणी, तर तुम्ही मला त्या ठिकाणी you can contact to me on WhatsApp group, which is available. So I'm going to stop here. So next topic I will start from the next lecture. Okay. Thank you.